Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Flexclip and a recently announced new feature which automatically creates subtitles. So first off, we're just going to drag in some media files that we're going to work on. So these are things I've already recorded. So I've got an audio file and a media file. So just drag and drop those in. So I've got a new project open. On the left hand menu I've got media and I've dragged in both my video and audio. To add them to the timeline I just click on the plus. So they're now both added. And then if I come down to the left hand, on the menu on the left hand side and choose subtitle, I can then go auto subtitle, choose the region I'm based in, and you've got a whole raft of different languages that they support. You can see lots of different languages there, all the way through. So I can choose the region I'm in the UK, and then I can ask next and choose the style of the subtitles I want to add. And you can see there's a number of different suggestions, and then click generate subtitles. So obviously depending on the length of the video will depend on how long it takes to do that. But having done a number of videos, it's reasonably good. I suppose my only frustration is that it requires you to have both an audio file separate from your video file. And for some of you, I'm sure that's fine if you've got a separate audio recording device and you're capturing your video on a different type of device. But if you're using more of a screen recording feature where it's all in one, you have to extract your audio separately. But let's see, it's just working through the process now. And you can see, there we are, it's gone through, and if I press play, in this video we're looking at paper mode and specifically the new feature in quizzes. You can see it's really accurate, but you can go in and you can edit it by just clicking the cursor into the text, and it will allow you to edit it as you go. So when you're ready, having done your video, you can go to export and choose the output. So with the basic account, you can have up to 720p, and with the plus account, you can have up to 1080p. You can choose to export it either to a video or to a GIF. So great for your social media processes, and then simply hit export, and it will export it, or you've got a link where you can view it from that link. So there you have it, a great new feature within Flexclip, the auto-generating subtitles. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.